In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates on Capcut from TikTok. This is a fantastic way to create engaging videos with just a few taps. And whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned creator looking for efficiency, this method is going to be a game changer for you. Let's start the journey on TikTok. First, open up your TikTok app and start scrolling until you find a video that catches your attention with the label Capcut Try This Template. This label is your gateway into a world of easy video editing. It indicates that the video was created using a specific template in Capcut, and it offers you the chance to give it a try yourself. Once you've found one of these videos, tap on that Try This Template label. A small window will pop up, offering you the option to use this template in Capcut. This is a direct link that takes you right to the creation stage without any additional hassle. Tap on Use Template in Capcut and watch your device work its magic. As soon as you do this, your Capcut app will automatically launch with the selected template already loaded and ready to go. Isn't technology amazing? This saves so much time, letting you dive straight into personalizing the video with your own touch. Now that your Capcut app is open, you'll see the template all set up for you. Tap on Use Template. And this is where the fun really begins. You can add your own videos or photos to the template. Choose the clips or images that best fit your vision and make the template uniquely yours. Once you've uploaded your media, you might need to crop or adjust it to fit just right within the template's boundaries. The beauty of these templates is that the heavy lifting is already done for you. The text and timing are preset, so you don't have to worry about those things. This allows you to focus on creativity rather than starting from scratch. With everything in place, it's time for the finishing touches. Tap Export to save your masterpiece. Capcut will give you the option to save your video directly to your device's gallery, or if you're eager to share it with the world, you can post it straight to TikTok. Either way, the process is seamless and the results are impressive. And there you have it. In just a matter of minutes, you've used a Capcut template from TikTok to create a stunning video that you can share with friends or fans. With steps this simple, you can keep producing amazing content efficiently and effectively. So go ahead, try it out for yourself, and elevate your video editing game with ease.